Hi, this is Jennifer Witt with the Witt Law Group. This is video 2 on what to expect for your drug and alcohol evaluation. This video covers what are the recommendations that an assessment may put forth as far as treatment that they will recommend after your evaluation. Generally speaking, there are 5 recommendations that could come out. The first level is that you don't have an issue with drugs and alcohol, no substance abuse issue. That often surprises people because they'll have an arrest based on an alcohol or drug-related incident, but an evaluation will indicate that they don't have a substance abuse issue. And in that case, the recommendation generally is that you do the 8-hour ADIS class and the Victims Impact Panel. The ADIS class is the Alcohol Drug Information School class. So that's level 1. Level 2 is that you have a mild to moderate issue. You may need some outpatient treatment, AA meetings, or other support, not inpatient care. Level 3 is moderate to severe, in which case you may need some inpatient care. That won't look the same for everyone, but that may be, it could be 2 weeks, it could be 3 months, but there will be some inpatient care, generally speaking, will be suggested at level 3. Level 4 and level 5 are severe drug and alcohol addiction issues, and level 5 would include the component of a medical facility to kind of monitor your safety as far as detox and other concerns. In our practice, we generally see 1 through 3, level 1 through 3 recommended, and a significant amount of level 1 where you don't have a drug and alcohol substance abuse issue, although just simply you were charged with a crime related to drugs and alcohol. So they recommend the minimum 8-hour class and the Victims Impact Panel. That brings me to the second part of this, which is the time it takes to get an assessment, and that you may want time to review that. You may expect that you're level 1 or maybe even level 2, but suppose your assessment comes back and recommends inpatient, and you think that that is way out of left field and that doesn't accurately depict your situation. You want to give yourself time, because to get an assessment can take, several weeks to a month to get the appointment. It can take another week or 2 to get that assessment returned. And so if you feel you have an assessment that doesn't accurately reflect your issue with drugs and alcohol, you want to have time to get a second evaluation, which also brings me to the point, make sure that that evaluation is being faxed or emailed to your attorney or to you, and not to probation or the court, if that is permitted in your jurisdiction. For us, we always recommend our clients send that evaluation to our office first, so that we can have them in and discuss what the recommendations are and if they feel that's an accurate representation. And therefore, if there is something they want to do or be proactive and they feel a second assessment would be beneficial to them and they want to compare, they have time to do that. That may not be true in every jurisdiction, so I would say the takeaway is, if you know you are going to do a drug and alcohol assessment for a criminal charge, make sure you are in contact with your attorney and that you know the rules in your state and whether you can bypass probation or the court on that first evaluation and review that before you have to submit it. So I hope that was helpful. Again, the takeaway, definitely talk to your attorney, discuss the specifics of your case, and have time to review that evaluation. Thank you for watching.